Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you how to make these easy and affordable home decor DIYs. If you're new here, welcome. I would love to have you part of my amazing YouTube family, so go ahead and subscribe and click the bell notification to be notified when I upload a new video. For the first DIY, you will need a foam brush, white paint, glitter, rhinestones, a hot glue gun, and however many pumpkins you want from the Dollar Tree. I will be decorating 3 in the color white but have a different sparkle look for each one. When I paint things like this pumpkin, I like to add the paint directly on the object because it makes it easier and faster for me to finish. You can paint however you like, this is just how I like to paint and it works for me. I also wanted to wear gloves because it will get messy, and since I have a toddler, it's easier for me to remove them rather than having to go rush and wash my hands. Overall, it's just a nice tip to help you stay cleaner. I wanted white pumpkins with silver glitter, but of course I couldn't find any that I liked in my stores, so I decided to make my own, and these were super affordable to make because they were only $1 each. I will be placing them on my entryway table because they looked perfect in that area representing fall when we walk in. I covered the entire pumpkins in white paint, and then after I decorated each of them with a different silver glitter and rhinestone to make them all unique but similar. If you don't want white as your pumpkins, you can choose any other color like silver or gold, or keep the orange color and change the stem color if that's the color scheme you have for this season. Here's how all 3 white glittered pumpkins turned out. I placed them on the table around the flower vase, and they were just enough fall decor for the table. These are so pretty. You can place them in a bowl and set them in your living room, your dining room, kitchen, or even bathroom. There are so many ways that you can style them to add that touch of glam fall in your home. If you decide to recreate these, please tag me on my Instagram at LGQUEEN Home Decor because I would love to see and share your work with everyone. I'm so excited for my first fall video that I will be doing a giveaway, so make sure you stick around till the end to find out what it is. For the second DIY, you'll need 9 of these blue signs from Dollar Tree, a glass round candle holder from Dollar Tree, and silver spray paint. The signs come in pink and purple with really cute sayings in the front, but I turned these blue ones around because I didn't like what they said. I picked the blue ones because when I glue them together, they're less noticeable in between the sides compared to gluing the pink and purple ones. But if that's all you can find, then just go for it, it'll work too. I found these in front of the store with all of the kids' back to school items like pens, keychains, and little notebooks. Starting off, I glued one side of the sign and connected the other side to it and repeated this step until I made a full circle with them. Make sure when you're gluing them together that you work fast to have even sides everywhere, otherwise this DIY is not going to look good. For the last piece, you're going to have to quickly squeeze the sign in to finish the DIY. Next, I added hot glue to the top of the signs to add the glass candle holder on top. I already added the rhinestones to the glass candle holder in a previous DIY, so I just spray painted the bottom with the silver spray paint to not have the see-through look. Here's how my mirrored candle holder turned out. You can place it just about anywhere. These would actually look really pretty as a set of 2 or 3 on a dining room table. I already have many candle holders, so I just wanted to make one and place it on my living room ottoman. It was a lot of fun making this one because I really liked how it had a faux mirror in the back and it's really easy to make. I was playing with these in store and I couldn't wait to share the results with you guys because I was just really curious to see how it actually turned out, and it's really nice. I highly recommend wearing gloves, that way you don't have fingerprints on the back of the foam mirror part because it's really hard to wipe off. For the last DIY, you will need 1 large black plate, 2 small black plates, 2 candlestick holders, rhinestones, and a hot glue gun. This DIY only cost me $5 to make and it's my favorite one out of the video. I would love to know which one was your favorite in today's video and what you'll recreate next. I already had these blinged out candlestick holders from a previous DIY, so I went ahead and hot glued the bottom to the middle of the large plate. Then I added more hot glue to the top and added the smaller plate on, and so on. And here's the final results. I'm really excited about this one because it looks so good for only $5. You can spray paint the clear plates from Dollar Tree to whatever color you want, but I love these in black because of the nice pop they give in my home. I like to decorate with neutrals, but this definitely changed it up and added that pop I wanted. It looks so elegant and gives a nice contrast to the white and silver decor I added. You can place all of these DIYs that I showed you how to make in today's video just about anywhere. Let me know which one was your favorite in the comments down below, and now on to the giveaway. You guys that support my channel by subscribing, liking, and commenting on my videos never goes unnoticed. I appreciate everyone who writes me the sweetest messages and takes the time out of your day to watch my videos. I wanted to give back to one of you and send you some fall home decor items to decorate your home with. These are items that I absolutely love, which makes it even more special to gift it to one of you. To enter the giveaway, all you need to do is be subscribed to my YouTube channel, like and comment anything down below, and that's it. For additional entries, you can follow me on Instagram. It's LGQUEEN Home Decor and like my last 3 pictures. I will be giving away this set of beautiful glittered pumpkins and a grape cluster so you can glam up any part of your home for this fall. I will be picking the winner 1 week from today, so good luck to everyone. This concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I'll talk to you very soon in my next one. Take care.